birthday week though, but
Celebrate our birthdays.
my apologies kung wala na ko naka-continue sa akong vlogging. I don't know kung na-video na ko all of the places that we went to and we visited, but anyway, we are on our way to Akaroa. It's gonna be a 4-hour total drive going to Akaroa, guys. But along the way, we will stop over at Sheffield's Pie, the famous pie here in South Island. Here in the West Coast, specifically. Okay. So yesterday, recap na lang ta sa ato ang. Sorry guys, recap na lang jud ako mabuhat ani. So yesterday we went and had a short walk to the gorge. Very, very gorgeous Hokitika Gorge. Turquoise blue waters, but I'm not really sure if that would show in the video because it was a bit overcast and quite drizzly. So yeah, and there's a lot of sandflies. We weren't able to bring our mosquito repellent. So next time, that's another checklist of what to bring. If you guys want to visit here, make sure you bring your own mosquito repellent, insecticides. Hi to our driver here. Phoebe's been driving. Thank you so much. She's bringing us to all these places. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Stepping here at Sheffield to get some pies here from the world famous Sheffield pies. We have traveled 2 hours already and we still got 2 more hours to go before we reach Akaroa. Alright, hungry na ang among baby darling. So we need to get some more food and coffee again. Kia ora everyone! Welcome to Akaroa. Our first itinerary, our first stop for today is doing the alpaca farm tour here at Shamara's Alpaca's farmland. We didn't do any booking, so we're just walking and see if we can do the tour, but they said they have slots for us, so I'll take you there.
Awesome, so welcome again to Shamara, guys. My name is Lydia. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask me throughout, okay? I'll just tell you a wee bit about them before we head outside, and then I'll show you guys where you can touch them. We're going to go meet some big boys first. Nice. They're usually a wee bit more friendly. And then where you can touch them. Yep. So alpacas are actually part of the camel family. They're not related to sheep at all.
Oh, okay.
They are generally pretty shy. We do just have to be nice and slow with them.
Okay.
So when you want to pat one, you're best to approach them from the front so they can see you. And when we pat them, we just go really slowly and we gently pat them on their necks. He's not such a patting guy. Tornado, you come here. Come here, Tornado. Tornado. So they can kick, so just don't walk behind them. Oh, here we go, Fonzo's coming in. So just on the necks and the shoulder.
Okay guys, we're here and up close and personal with the alpacas of New Zealand. Actually, alpacas of Akaroa. Look at that. We can feed them. They actually eat 8 times a day, so it's just snacking every now and then.
Another really good one that you can cuddle is the first one sitting down over here.
How are you, buddy? That one's Dior.
And the baby, her name is Venetia.
Venetia.
Oh, Italia. Oh my word.
Hi, Venetia.
It is.
Hi, Mummy. One curious.
Mummy is Dior.
Dior and Venezia.
Venezia.
Hello, Dior.
So she had a bit of a rough start.
We're going to the fluffy one.
And then the two beside her are very heavily pregnant, so they should be having babies any time now.
Oh.
They're just keeping us waiting. The one on the left, she's I think nearly 360 days
Do
pregnant.
they have a special diet maybe if they're pregnant or something like that?
No, not until about now we start supplementing them.
Don't bite us, okay? They're observant and
Hello, you
word is sending
guys.
attention.
How you've been
It's
doing?
a nice fluffy. What do you call it? Hair ball. Bubble head.
They're waiting for us. Hello.
Hi, baby.
Are we coming here or no?
Alpacas.
Yeah.
Now we're going to feed these lovely alpacas.
Of all ages.
Beautiful. Hi. Nice to meet you. Hi.
Misty, her baby Phoebe.
Oh, Phoebe. Phoebe. Okay, Phoebe, you can now feed Phoebe. Hello, hello. Hello, hello.
So we might head around that way, guys, and then you can get the view of the harbour.
Okay. Bye bye.
My alpacas. The male one.
Okay, guys, says we finished our alpaca farm tour and we are now
Here.
we're live at the Akaroa lighthouse.
Yeah. Hello, everyone.
Time check? 4:15.
If you kindly reverse the camera and take a look to see the harbor.
Okay, that's our view.
People, this is our view. You can see the fantastic blue waters of Akaroa. This here, of course, accentuated by the lighthouse, and then some sailboats right there. This is a rich marine biodiversity.
Open to the
blah,
public
blah, blah.
on Sundays only.
Oh,
Permitting.
okay. Okay, let's see.
Hi. Very good.
Look at that. Look at the bay.
Yeah, super cool. This is awesome. Take lots of documentary and documentation.
This is their quaint little French town in Akaroa, and we will be eating here for our dinner, maybe early dinner, kay 4:45 pa. But you see, we didn't actually have a full lunch. We just had the pie in Sheffield.
Lipton Coast Oyster.
There's restaurant there. Huh?
It's like Lipton Coast Oyster.
Really? Okay, so we'll just go there. And you see most of their restaurants and streets are all in French. First restaurant we went to is not open for dinner yet, just for snacks. So we have found this little Thai restaurant just in front of the bay, and we have started eating. Look, Wayne's hungry.
Mildly.
So we got the sizzling beef and seafood for
Seafood
Wayne.
mix, scallops,
And we
prawns,
have
and some.
fried chicken here, spring rolls, that dumpling, pad see ew, and what's that? Pancit?
70.
With a very nice view.
It's a $70. Fancy.
After this one, we will head back to Christchurch.
Which is how many hours?
An hour and a half, I think. Depends
How
on
many
the
kilometers
traffic.
would that be?
Huh?
How many kilometers would that be?
I don't know.
Search it.
Compute it yourself. Okay, guys. Mo-itsa ko.
Da. Very nice.
Guwapo? Ah, dili.
Very nice.
Good morning, guys. We are already here in the airport having our breakfast. And it's Flybabu today, flying back to Auckland. That's all about our quick holiday here in Christchurch. So, I hope you enjoyed our trips and our long drives and our road trips and our foodies and whatnot. Hopefully we can come back here next time. We actually enjoyed Christchurch and the place is such a beautiful place, except for the inconsistent weather though, but anyway, that's all good. Sorry? It's, oh yeah, that's the normal for Christchurch. She's been here a couple of times and she said it's normal. What can you say, baby? It's
But we
normal
made
food.
it through and it was a successful trip nonetheless.
Yeah.
Successfully. Yeah.
Correct. So our flight is not until 8:30 and we are going to be boarding in 8:05. Time check is 7:20, so we still have time to enjoy our breakfast. Well, coffee. Wait, look. He's got a big breakfast. Oh my mama. Anyway, that's all for today's vlog, guys. Well, not today. That's all for the vlog, and I hope you guys enjoyed. See you again next time on our next travel with this bunch. Right, like and subscribe.
Bye bye.
Bye.